The hardest interview questions to answer are behavior questions. Behavior questions usually start with describe a time when you, and then the interviewer asks you how you have tackled a certain situation in the workplace. In this video, I will teach you a super easy way how to answer the hardest behavior interview questions, so you pass your interview at the first attempt. And just very quickly, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give a video a like, because that really encourages me to make more content for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yadav, your interview coach. So I have already told you what is the topic of this video, what I'm going to cover in this video, and this is gonna very important and exciting because each and every student once at a time face any type of interview. So let's jump straight into the video. To help you pass your job interview at the first attempt, I will cover these three things. Number one, I will explain you which describe a time when your interview questions are most often asked in job interview. Further with, I will teach you an easy structure to use when answering these difficult behavior interview questions that will definitely score high with hiring manager. Finally, in number 3, I will give you top brilliant answers to each of the questions to help you pass your job interview. Okay, to begin with, let me tell you what the most common describe a time when you interview questions are. Please write these down. Or you can see on the screen, I have mentioned top 7 describe a time when you questions. Now these 7 behavior interview questions are ones most asked in job interview, and I strongly recommend you prepare answers to all of them before your interview. Now the best way to answer these interview questions to get the highest score possible is to use STAR method. STAR method stands for situation, task, action and result. So you can begin your answer and outline the situation you were in. Next, explain the task that needed your attention. Then give in-depth detail of the action you took to complete the task. Finally, tell the interviewer what the result were following your actions. Make sure you use the STAR method to get the highest score possible when answering those behavior interview questions. Okay, in this next section of the video, I will give you brilliant example answers to those 7 describe a time when you behavior interview questions, so you can write down and practice them before your interview. So here we go. Behavior interview question 1. Describe a time when you face a challenging situation at work. Here is a brilliant answer that uses the STAR method. In my previous job as a project manager, I had to lead a project with a tight deadline due to an unexpected client request. I was responsible for ensuring that the project met the deadlines without compromising quality. I organized the team into smaller groups, clearly delegating tasks, and we set up daily check-ins to track progress. I also communicated transparently with the client, managing their expectations. We completed the project on time and received positive feedback from the client for managing high standard despite the time constraint. Behavior interview question 2. Describe a time when you had to work as a part of a team. So here is a brilliant answer. My last job, I worked on a team responsible for organizing a company-wide event. We had a tight deadline and multiple tasks to coordinate, from venue booking to scheduling speakers. My role was to handle communication with the speakers and ensure they had all the information they needed for the event. I collaborated closely with my teammates by holding regular check-ins to update each other. I also helped others by picking up tasks when they needed support. such as assisting with last-minute logistical challenges. As a result, the event went smoothly, with all the speakers arriving on time, and the feedback from attendees was overwhelmingly positive. Our team made it a success. Behavior interview question number 3. Describe a time when you had to meet a tight deadline. So here is a brilliant answer. In my previous job, I was assigned a report that needed to be completed within 48 hours for an important client meeting. I had to gather data, analyze it, and prepare a clear and concise report within short time frame. I prioritized the most critical data, streamlined the analysis process, and stayed focused by eliminating distractions. I also worked extra hours to ensure everything was done on time. I finished the report with time to spare, and it was well received by both my manager and the client, who appreciated the quality despite the tight deadline. Behavior interview question number 4. Describe a time when you had to deal with a difficult colleague or customer. Here is a brilliant answer for this. In my previous job, I worked with a colleague who frequently missed deadline, which was affecting the team's progress on project. I needed to address the issue without causing conflict while ensuring the project stayed on track. I approached my colleague privately and asked if there was anything I could do to help. It turned out they were overwhelmed with other responsibilities. Together, we worked on redistributing tasks and set clear timeline for the remaining work. After that, the colleague met their deadline and we were able to complete the project on time. The conversation also improved our working relationships. Behavior interview question number 5. Describe a time when you made a mistake at work and how you handled it. So here is a brilliant answer for this. While leading a team in my previous role, I mistakenly approved an incomplete budget proposal for a major project. It was crucial to correct the mistake quickly and avoid any delays. I immediately took responsibilities, informed my manager, and worked closely with the finance team to update the proposal. I also set up an additional review step to ensure accuracy in future projects. As a result, we corrected the proposal in time, and I learned my manager's trust for taking ownership and addressing the issue directly. Behavior interview question number 6. Describe a time when you had to work under pressure. So here is a brilliant answer. In my role as a data analyst, there was an urgent request to provide insight for a board meeting with just a 24-hour notice. I needed quickly gather and analyze a significant amount of data to provide clear, actionable insight. I prioritized key data sets, automated data collections, and worked with a colleague to ensure accuracy. I maintained close communication with the board to ensure we were aligned on their needs. As a result, I successfully delivered the report on time, and the insights were well received during the meeting, helping guide key decisions. Behavior interview question number 7. Tell me about a time when you had to adopt a major challenges. Here is a brilliant answer. During my time as a marketing coordinator, the company implemented a new CRM system, which significantly changed our workflow. I needed quickly to adopt the new system and ensure the rest of the team transitioned smoothly. I took the initiative to learn the system in depth, creating training sessions for the team, and developed a troubleshooting guide to assist them. As a result, we adapted to the CRM system without major issue, and our team saw an improvement in productivity due to better management. For each question, remember to clearly outline the situation and task, explain the action you took, and finish with the result to show how your effort made a positive impact. By preparing in advance and practicing your responses, you will be able to confidently handle these tough questions and impress the hiring manager at your interview. Remember, preparation is the key to success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so I can continue to bring you more content like this to help you land your dream job. Good luck in your next interview.